Today I'm going to be doing my hood latches. I already drilled 2 holes. It was extremely nerve-wracking. I really wanted to do them on the sides right here. They looked really good, but I have no choice and I have to do it right here in the middle because there's nothing to really attach here, because if I do it on the sides it comes out where the headlight is. So I'm kind of stuck with doing them where the old latches were. That's kind of cool. I'll just throw them through there and that would basically come right around here. That's where they would come up. So I'm doing that right now. Kind of sucks to have to cut this brand new hood. I'm not using the cable because the cable broke. I ordered a new one, but I think the cable is just going to break again because it keeps popping out of that hole. So I'm just not even going to use a cable. I'm just going to use a key turn for the latches. And it's going to look a little bit cleaner, look nicer. It just kind of sucks to have to cut this hood that I got for super cheap, but it's super nice. So I got one side done. That's what it looks like. I was going to do one on the sides, but there was nowhere to mount them. So I did it right here. It looks really cool though. So freaking awesome. Then open it. There is a key for it. Where is it? Whatever. I have keys for it, so it locks it so no one can actually open my hood. But yeah, those are the latches right there where the original latches were. So I basically just had to cut this part out and this part out. And there you have it. And it's not going anywhere. Freaking awesome. The hood latches are done. They're nice and locked, not opening up. I'll open it up for you guys right now. Kind of hard with one hand, but so I have the key right here. Try not to scratch my hood. But 1, 2. Nice up, and then boom. They're not really even because for some reason this latch on the stock hood goes down like this, and this one's like nice and straight, so it fit right in that hole. But on this one I have to drill an extra hole on top. I'm probably gonna just fill it up with something, but it works, so cool. Once it's in, you just close these pins on both sides. There you go. And the hood doesn't go anywhere, doesn't even wobble, so nice. Super happy with it. Definitely super cool. Okay, so we have the spare tire deleted. As you can see, it's not fully buttoned down yet. We're running out of time, so we're done for today. So I have to seal it up, more rivets and all that, and then we just seal it up and we're all done.